Bismarck is bringing a piece of history back home. It's an old fire truck from 1926. The Seagrave served as a transitional apparatus in the period between horse-drawn fire and motorized trucks. Back then, it cost a little over $26,000. The city just paid $25,000 to get it back after it was sold at a city surplus auction decades ago.
This could have ended up in a private collection somewhere outside North Dakota, and we never would have seen it again. But now for it to come back and be a piece of treasure history for the city of Bismarck and the staff that's here today, I just don't think you can beat a story like that.
The truck isn't running, but city staff will work on it over the winter. The goal is to eventually use it in parades and other events.